Hey Catherine, this is Baruch. Spoke to you on the phone earlier today about sending you a video and explaining what I do. So I'd like to give you a few pointers that can help you with your website. Number one being Google loves content. You guys don't have all that much content on your homepage. You want about 1,000 to 1,500, and you guys have 255 words. Also, when you save videos and images, you want to make sure you save them with keywords. You guys have this image saved as portable restrooms, which is great if you want to rank for that. But I would probably put in Madison, Wisconsin, or whatever area you want to target. And when it comes to content, Google wants unique content, and it has to also be relevant content. When it comes to content, one of my favorite tools to use is Ahrefs. And so I punch you in here. You'll notice that it's got your organic keywords here, 143. It's gone down a little bit since last month. And your traffic is 16. It's also gone down by over half this past month. And, this stuff is just estimate. It's not 100% accurate, but it can give you a good idea. You can also click here to see what your organic keywords are. One thing you notice is that your most traffic keyword is porta potty rentals, Madison, Wisconsin. It doesn't have a lot of volume, but you guys get the most traffic on it, and you guys are ranked number 2 on Google search. When you go down, you'll see your name, but what you really want is like Madison, Wisconsin plumbers. It's got 90. You guys get about 1 every 2 months on that. You guys are ranked number 18. You guys over here, this plumber, Madison, Wisconsin, you'll have 100. There's 150 people roughly that search that a month. You guys again get about 1 every 2 months on that. So you want to focus on the higher volume keywords, as well as the ones that are relevant to your area that you're targeting. And let's go look at your competitor and go look at, you'll notice he has quite a bit more organic keywords and his traffic is also quite a bit higher. He's also lost a fair amount of people this last month. So let's go in there and see what he's got going on. And you notice his top one's Madison, Wisconsin plumbers. He's got a low search volume, but he gets 15 people a month on that. And then you go look at the other ones. All these keywords are targeted to plumbing in the Madison, Wisconsin area, and they all got, they got a decent amount of volume on them, some more than others, and he's getting a fair amount of traffic from them. If you add that all up, it comes out to be quite a few people, as well as his positioning in all of these. Those are all first page, all the way until you get down to this one, which is bathroom repairs near me. So anyways, that's kind of the organic keywords. Now if we go back, you can check out your backlinks, which is another big thing when it comes to SEO. And you'll notice that you guys have 309 referring domains and quite a few backlinks here, as well as you blow your competitor out of the water when it comes to that, which is really good. And you guys are doing really good with your backlinks. The next thing I'd like to talk about is citations, which are important when it comes to Google Map ranking. And I like to use whitespark.ca. It lets you see how many citations your competitor has, as well as how many citations you have. But not only that, you can also go in here and it'll list the citations that it found for them. So you can come in here, find all the citations that they have, and then you can go there yourself to copy their citations. Then you don't have to stop there. You can you can go to Google and find a whole bunch of other directories and get more citations that way. You can also go to other competitors and grab their citations also, and just beat your competition, outrank them, not only in the organic searches but also the Google map pack. And so you're welcome to use all that information how you guys want. I'd love to talk to you guys more about what I can do to help you guys. And I'll touch base with you later, or you guys can call me. I look forward to hearing from you. Also, I would love to hear any advice and feedback you have for me on this video. Thank you, and have a good rest of your day.